Welcome to our channel. It's called Nature Develops Agro Business. Today we are bringing you a package of goats. In today's video, we'll just know how to keep a goat from when it is a kid, when it is old, when it grows and you earn money. Stop sitting, even if you are in urban areas, even if you are in rural areas, make sure you have something. This is a very small area, but we have managed to keep our goats each and every day. They are breeding, they are producing, and we are getting more. We don't have much feed. About all what we need to construct a structure, it's very simple. This is an urban area, but we have managed to keep more than 25 goats. So this is our structure. How we make it, we can show you. So with this structure, it's very simple. All you need is to get your timber. Everything you start with, it's locally made. So we start with our timber, with our used iron sheets, and make this simple structure. Here we just use grass, put them on top to avoid coldness of our goats. So right now our goats are outside there, but okay, we have to put them outside every day at 1. We feed them, and that's all. All we do here is zero grazing. Thank you. This is our structure. Goats lie under small ruminants. Goats with sheep lie under small ruminants. Advantages of keeping goats. Goats, you can keep it everywhere. They multiply faster. In a year they have to produce them. They have to give you 2 times. As you can see, this is our improved indigenous breed. It's very healthy. We feed them with these local breeds, and sometimes we have to buy, and sometimes we buy some other feeds from veterinary shops. So the one watching this, you should subscribe. We shall be teaching you more about goats.